Alright guys, in this quick video, I'm going to show you how to schedule posts on your Facebook page. So let's get down to it. So the first thing you want to do here is you want to go right down to your Facebook page and you want to go to facebook.com/pages. So you are going to see all your pages right there. So all your pages is going to be there. So you're going to see all your pages here. So this is all my pages here. So you want to pick the one that you want to post into. So I want to choose this one right here. So I want to schedule post on this page here. So here is the page that I want to post into. So now you want to go here. You can go from here. What is on your mind? So you want to post on your page. You can just go to your website here. This is my website here. So this is my website right there. So you want to find the post that you want to post, that you want to schedule on your website. So you just grab the URL here. Right click your mouse and grab the URL. So you want to go to your Facebook page. And you want to drop the URL here. So here you can decide if you want this post to be public. You can decide. You can just click to be public. If not, you can just untick it there, and when you finish, you are going to click down. Now let's go back here. If you want to write summary about the post, you can just give it space here and write something about the post. For example, let me go to my page here. I want to grab the summary of my page here. So this is the summary. And I want to go back to my Facebook. So I want to paste it in here. So this is the summary there. So now that you've completed the post, so you want to scroll down here. So this is where you can schedule your post. So you want to schedule your post. You want to click Meta Business Suite. So if you click Meta Business Suite here, it's going to take you to Meta Business Suite. So let's go to Meta Business Suite and go and set things up. So here we are on the Meta Business panel here. So here, you want to scroll down here. You want to click Schedule here. Here you can see where you can schedule post. You can schedule story. You can create reel. You can create ad also here. So right now I want to schedule this post here. So I want to click schedule post. So right here it's going to pop up this area. So you're going to choose the day that you want, the month that you want this post to be published. This post is going to publish automatically by itself. So I want to choose the days. Let's say I want to publish it on 7/3. So I want to publish it on this time. So I'm just going to click save. And that is it. So now the post has been scheduled. So another way you can do it is to publish from here. So if you want to publish from here, you're just going to choose which page you want to publish it to. So if you want to publish to this page, you can just choose this one. If not, you can just click here and choose if it is your Instagram. You can just connect your Instagram with your Facebook page. So when you scroll down here, you can just paste the URL again here. So you paste the text here and grab the URL. Let's go and grab the URL again. Yeah, the URL of the post that you want to schedule. And go back to the Facebook Meta Business Suite. So when you drop the URL there, it's going to show you the preview of the post there. It's the same thing. If you can publish right from your page here, or you go from the Meta Business Suite. So it is the same thing. I'm going to show you the preview there. And the important thing here is that you can also add You can also add tags. So let's say you want to add tag, you can just go here and you can add tag. So let's say you want to add tag here. You can just search for tags here. And you can say baby. Okay. So you can just add this one. Let's add this BBK product. BBK tips. There. BBK essential. Let's add this also. So when you finish with your tag, you can add as many tags as you like. So you can just search for the tag that you like. Then when you finish, you are going to click add. And there you get it. Now we've add tags and we've add text to the page. Now we want to schedule this post here. So you want to scroll down here. So if you want to publish it now, you can just click publish now. If you want to save it to draft, you can just click save to draft. If you want to schedule this page right there, you can just click schedule page. So you want to schedule this page. So let's go ahead and schedule it. So again, we are in the area here. So this post here, you want to choose the date that you want to schedule, that you want it to be published. So again, you want to schedule the post. You want to click schedule. So let's say this let's put this on the 8th. So let's say 8th and by this time. So let's save it. And that is it. So now your post has been scheduled. You have two posts now. So you have one at 7 and one at 8. Those two posts gonna automatically post themselves on 7 and 8 of this month. So yeah, if you want to view the post, if you want to see how the post look like, how your post look like, you can just view it on desktop, or you want to see how it look like on smartphone, you can just click it. It's going to show you how it look like right there. So if you want to post another post, you can just do it again and again and again. You can also add photo here, you can add video here, you can use template here, and so on and so forth. So if you want to boost your post, you can just click here and you can just click here and you can be able to boost your post to run ads to the Facebook ads to it. So guys, in a nutshell, that's how you can schedule your post. So if you guys have any question or have anything to say about this video, please let me know in the comment down below. Subscribe to this channel and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Peace.